Hey, my name is Steve, and join me today as I go through a very simple 1 minute scalping strategy, something that I use sometimes for trading crypto on weekends when the Forex markets are actually closed. But in this example, I will actually show you this one using a 1 minute time frame, and currency pair we're going to look at on this one is the dollar yen. And just a quick video just to show you the simple strategy, and then I would actually love to see you guys go out and test this strategy, perhaps using this strategy on the London or the New York session, maybe just after the open when there's a lot of movement in the actual market. We want to see if this is actually a good strategy or if it's not so great. But let's have a look at some examples here. And the actual moving averages we're using here is the 200 and the 50, and I think I've got the 25 on a 20, so a 20, 50 and 200. And the simple strategy is all three must be lined up, so we've got the 200, then the 50, then the 20 for a long trade. We enter in after we get a pullback to any of the moving averages, but we do want the cross to be above the price to actually close above the 20 moving average before we enter. So in this particular case, we would actually have, let's say here is, there's no entry here because the moving averages are not lined up, but here we actually have an entry. We have about 6 pips take profit, and we go for a 1.5 R. So we're looking for, if we don't get stopped out first, 9 pips. So this would have been a win. The next one we have, there's no trade here. We don't have the moving averages lined up, but here is our next trade. We've got a 9 pip stop loss, possibly even 8 pips. Let's say 9. So 9 and 4.5 is 13, so let's say 14 pips take profit, or even 15. And yeah, 14.5. Yeah, so 15.5. So if we went for 1.5 R, that would have been a win as well. The idea of the strategy is we just want to make 1.5 R on a particular day. So if you're putting on one trade with 1% risk and you got a win, made 1.5 for the day, that's it, finished trading for the day, all done. If you happen to have a loss, then you can continue to put on additional trades, but maybe have a limit for yourself. If you have 3 losses, so you actually lose 3% in the day, then that's it, cancel for the day and no more trading. The other alternative is go for smaller trades like 0.5%, 0.5, and same thing, go for 1.5 R. All you want to do is maybe get 2 wins on the day so that you can actually make a 1% profit on the day. But again, it's up to you however you want to play it. But give this a shot, see what you think, and this is a good strategy when the market conditions are right. We can actually see where the market conditions are not right. When we have this sort of movement where the moving averages are like spaghetti, that is when we want to ignore them. We can see here, just as the line started to separate a bit, we did actually have some good setups here. So we have one here, that's only a 4 pip stop loss. So we only need 6 pips to make a profit. This one actually moved to 13 pips. So you could have had like a 3R trade here. We have another setup here, pull back to the moving averages and then close below the 20. The stop loss here is 5 pips, so we would have been looking at 7 or 8 pips for the take profit, and in this case we actually got 19 pips. So you can see that if you happen to enter this at the right time, you do actually get a good trade, and we only want to make a profit on the day and then get out. If you continue to trade too many times, there's more chances of actually losing more trades, more consecutive trades if you have a bad day, and going into drawdown. So that's it for the simple scalping strategy. Let me know what you think. Have you actually tried this strategy before? Possibly with different moving averages. They don't have to be the 20, 50 and 200. I do like to have the 50 and the 200 in there though, just to give a bit of an idea of the overall trend that we're actually moving at the time of trading. But hit the like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is a good idea or if you have tried it. And I'd like to hear about your experience if you have actually tried making just 1% per day with this strategy or some other method. Happy trading. Have a good day.